What's going on, Edwards family? Before we get started with this video, I gotta let you guys know that it is a paid partnership with our friends at Google Home. Ever since Kyra and I had the newborn, we haven't really had a lot of opportunity to kind of unwind and chill. So we decided that tonight is gonna be our date night.
So we're gonna be figuring out what we're gonna have for dinner, something to unwind.
We love watching those BuzzFeed tasty recipe videos because it's a really easy way to up our cooking game. And now with our Google Home, we can get step-by-step instructions on how to make our favorite tasty recipes. How cool is that? So hey Google, play our date night playlist.
Sure, here's your date night playlist.
All right, folks, so we have reached the biggest question. What are we going to be making? I don't think we've ever cooked dinner together, so it's gonna be interesting to see how the teamwork dynamic works with that. Listen, we can't get this wrong. This is a big day for us. This is our first date night in a long time, so let's try and do something good. I like pastas. I love pasta. I want like a real ooey gooey, cheesy kind of pasta.
Macaroni and cheese,
Yeah.
basically. Okay.
Hey Google, cook with Tasty.
Welcome back to Tasty. What would you like to make today?
5 cheese mac and cheese.
Sure, I have this recipe called 5 cheese mac and cheese. Does that sound good?
Kyra is really good at cooking pasta, and being that pasta is my favorite dish, we are a match made in heaven.
Here are some of the ingredients. 1 box of elbow macaroni, 1 can of evaporated milk, 3 eggs, 1/2 cup of salted butter, 2 cups cheddar cheese, 1 cup mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons feta cheese, 1 cup provolone cheese, 1/2 cup smoked Gouda cheese, 4 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons ground pepper.
All right, guys, so we got it all. We got the feta, the cheddar, and the mozzarella. Mix it all together so it's gonna be better.
Stop.
Kyra's kitchen personality, I'd say thrifty.
Kaylin's kitchen personality, I think he's kind of bossy a little bit.
Hey Google, ask Tasty for the next step.
Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, so the first step is to heat the oven. And unfortunately,
You don't know how to do that?
I don't know how to do that.
I know you don't. Okay, I'll do it.
Okay, Google, ask Tasty for the next step.
Cook macaroni in water with 2 teaspoons salt.
My role when we're cooking is to get out of the way. I'm usually the one who controls the television. She is usually the one who does the recipes, the measuring, all the stuff that doesn't really matter in cooking.
Okay, my mom always taught me that to find out if pasta's done, you throw it at the wall. And if it sticks, it's done.
Only one way to find out. Wait.
Not done.
Oh yeah, that's done right there. So. Oh, it's so satisfying.
Hey Google, ask Tasty for the next step.
Add warm butter to macaroni and mix until melted. Season with salt and pepper.
So I think we just need half of one of these.
No, the whole thing.
Oh, I was gonna show you that. You just cut with the spoon so you don't have to use that many dishes.
So whenever we cook together, he's always like telling me, clean up after yourself. Make sure you clean that. Oh, put that away.
The whole thing?
Yeah. Okay, get the spoon.
It's all in the wrist. Look at the flick of the wrist. Hey, this is starting to smell good.
Smells good, huh?
Let's go.
So half the cheddar,
You gotta make it with love.
provolone, feta,
Feta, mozzi, Gouda.
eggs.
Eggs. I should have cracked the egg on your head. All right, and then the evaporated milk.
Yeah, my arm's lucky tired.
I'll show you how to
All
do
the
this.
cheese.
Okay, let's go. We gotta do teamwork.
Churning.
Make a butter.
You're
Okay, this
funny.
is way easier to mix things.
Okay, now it's really looking like macaroni and cheese. I feel
Yeah,
like.
this is like mama's macaroni and cheese right here. Don't play with us now. Don't play with us now. Watch out. Ooh. All right, so we gotta add it to this. Is this
Yeah.
enough space?
Yeah, okay, just rinse it out first.
Okay.
He likes to clean as he goes. He likes everything to be all nice and perfect.
#1 dishwasher. See, all of this is coming back to me now. At first, I didn't know how to cook, but now it's starting to come back. Hey Google, ask Tasty for the next step.
Sprinkle over top with cheddar cheese.
Show some love to the mac and cheese. Kyra, it's on the wrist. That's what I was saying. You got it.
You're so cheesy.
Oh my gosh. That is very corny. Wow. He's about to have the cheese crusties over it.
I don't know if I want to call it the cheese crusties, but
Let's
sure.
get it in there. Whoop. Top shelf right here. Hey, we should do this more often. We're good at this.
I know. Hey Google, set a timer for 45 minutes.
Okay, 45 minutes, starting now.
Oh yeah. Oh snap. Okay. Okay. Woo! You smell it?
Oh, yay! We did good.
Ooh, look at that. Kyra, let's go. We didn't even burn it. Can you say mac and cheese then?
Okay. Yeah!
You gotta fill up the bowl. We worked hard. Now we can enjoy the cheese of our labor. All right.
One, two.
2, 3. Yeah, we're gonna need to do this again because there's not gonna be any leftovers. I'm really excited to like keep doing really spontaneous things with Kyra. I love that about our relationship. We're always open to trying new things.
I think it really helps our relationship grow, and we always have a lot of fun doing stuff like that.
I think this was a date night success.
I agree.
Cheers. I'm so glad that we took the time to make this meal today. We can take this time out of our busy week and
Do something together.
yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Kyra and I had such a good time making this recipe. It's always cool to be able to do something new with Kyra. I love doing the teamwork type activities with her because I feel like we got a good chemistry going on.
Yeah. So the recipe is definitely something we'll be making again. Thank you to Google Home once again for the paid partnership. And be sure to check out the other creators' videos that they did with Google Home as well.
Anyway, guys, we'll see you guys next time. Peace.